Hi there, welcome to the channel. Do you have a Apple TV that is stuck on Airplay and you cannot get it off? As soon as I boot up this Apple TV, it goes straight to the screen, the remote does nothing. I have no control over it at all. It's stuck in Airplay mode. What do you do? I think I've got the solution. Give me 1 second and I'll show you. All right, I've got my Apple TV. Problem is that I'm running Mac OS Catalina, and Catalina does not have iTunes. What I'm gonna do, if you have any problems, not just with the Airplay showing up just like that, if you have any problems with your Apple TV and you need to restore it, and you're running Mac OS Catalina, here's how you can do it. You don't even have to use the remote. If you don't have your remote, not a problem. All you need is the MacBook Pro that only has the newer USB port, so I've got a dongle there. I've got a micro USB cable. I'm gonna plug into the back of the Apple TV. Right down there, right below the HDMI. Alright, we got that plugged in. As soon as I plugged it in, not Explorer, I'm used to Windows, a Finder showed me the Apple TV. I'm gonna click on it. Telling me loading. May take it a second. Must be booting up still. All right, I clicked on the Apple TV over here in Finder under Locations. It comes up and it says, if you're experiencing problems with your Apple TV, you can restore it to original settings by clicking Restore Apple TV. That's what we're gonna do. Are you sure you want to restore the Apple TV to the factory settings? All of your media and data will be erased and the newest version of Apple TV software will be installed. Restore. Next. It's downloading the software. You can see the progress just to the right of the word Apple TV, the little pie there. So you wonder how, if it's done yet, that's all you gotta watch. All right, it says that it's preparing to restore the software on the Apple TV. As it's restoring, you'll get a slow blink and then it eventually moves to a